Hook a router to a DSL modem. A router is a device that you can use so that you can have wireless internet access. This is helpful if there are multiple computer users in your home or if you want to access the internet from different places. To get the router working, you must install it with your DSL modem. The steps in doing this are quite easy if you follow instructions. You can get your router working in no time. Follow these instructions to learn how to hook a router to your DSL modem. Purchase a router. Purchase a router from any electronics store. Check the components that come with the router and familiarize yourself with the different parts. Read the instructions in the user's manual so that you will know how to set up the network properly. You must make sure that your DSL connection is working so that you can set up the router successfully. Wireless network adapter. Before you can use the router on your computer, you must have a wireless network adapter. The wireless network adapter is the device that allows your computer to connect wirelessly through your router. Most new laptops and desktops already come with a wireless network adapter. Install driver. Open up your computer and wait for it to boot up. Get the installation CD that came with the router and install it on your computer. Just follow the prompts on the screen to complete the installation process. You can change your network settings later on once you have hooked up your router to the DSL modem. Connect components. Get the power supply cord of the router and connect it to the router. Plug the power to an outlet. Use the Ethernet cable from your DSL modem and connect the other end to your router. The router has an Internet label on the port where you will connect the Ethernet cable. Check lights. There are several lights that should come on when you connect the cables properly. Make sure that all the lights for the power, internet, and wireless are lighted up. If not, check if you have secured the cables properly. They might be a bit loose. Check for connection. Now you can check if you can access the internet using your router. Open a web browser window and see if you can access any website. Now you can use your laptop anywhere within the range of the signal provided by the router. These are the easy instructions on how you can hook up a router to your DSL modem. If the signal is low, try to put the router in an area where there are no thick walls or obstructions that can prevent you from getting signal. When you are done with hooking up the router, change the settings of the router so that you can provide a password to connect to the network. If you do not provide a password, your neighbors can easily connect to your network if they are within range.